Did Capcom Showcase 2025 show new games? June 27, 2025. Exciting news for gamers everywhere. The Capcom Spotlight event held on June 26, 2025 has sparked a lot of buzz. Many are asking if new games were revealed during this showcase. If you are curious about what Capcom has in store, you are not alone. Let's break down what was presented during this highly anticipated event. Capcom focused on for main titles during the approximately 40-minute presentation. The first major reveal was Resident Evil Requiem, the 9th mainline entry in the Resident Evil series. This game was showcased with a message from the creators, detailing its concept and how the series has evolved over time. Next up was Pragmata, an action-adventure game set in a lunar research facility. The event featured gameplay footage that highlighted combat and hacking mechanics involving the android character named Diana. Pragmata is set to releases in 2026 on personal computer, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series S and X. Street Fighter VI and Monster Hunter Wilds also received updates during the showcase. Monster Hunter Wilds continues to be a significant focus for Capcom, as it remains one of their current hits. While the event was packed with information, there were no major announcements of new games outside of the highlighted titles. The showcase did include updates and potential sales on classic Capcom games, but the primary new game reveals were Resident Evil Requiem and Pragmata, both expected to launch in 2026. From the perspective of Nintendo gaming systems, it is important to note that none of the newly highlighted games were announced specifically for Nintendo platforms during the showcase. Pragmata and the other titles were confirmed for personal computer, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series S and X, but there were no mentions of Nintendo Switch versions. In summary, Capcom did showcase new games, but the focus was not on Nintendo systems at this time. If you are a fan of Capcom titles, keep an eye out for more updates as we move closer to the releases dates of these exciting new games.